Understanding the phrase, hill to die on, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English idiom, hill to die on. This phrase is often used in conversations and can be quite powerful when used correctly. Let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it effectively in your daily English conversations. The phrase, hill to die on, is an idiom that refers to a cause or issue that someone considers so important that they are willing to persist in it, even in the face of potential loss or failure. It originates from military contexts, where a hill was a strategic position worth defending at all costs. In modern usage, it means a problem or issue that someone believes is so crucial that they are willing to endure significant consequences to stand their ground on it. You can use hill to die on in situations where you or someone else is making a stand on an issue that is of great personal importance. It's often used in discussions or debates to emphasize that the point being made is a core belief or value for the person. For example, if someone says, "This is the hill I'm willing to die on," they mean that they are prepared to fight very hard for that particular cause or belief. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. 1. Debating a policy. I believe that environmental protection is the hill I'm willing to die on. It's just too important to ignore. 2. At work. I know it's risky, but standing up for ethical business practices is my hill to die on. 3. Personal beliefs. For her, advocating for education reform is the hill she's willing to die on. When using this idiom, it's important to remember that it's a strong statement. Avoid using it for trivial or less significant issues. It's best reserved for topics of deep personal conviction or great importance. That's all for our exploration of the phrase, hill to die on. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you understand and use this powerful idiom effectively in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but also about expressions that convey deeper meanings. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.